Morning. This is gonna be day like either 12 or 13, man. I don't know. I've been ripping through heaps of these videos, just editing them all together, so I've lost track of what they are up to. But check the carnage. Just trees down. It's pretty full on, man. Like, this cyclone has completely cooked the place where I'm living. But plan for today, I've been looking at charts all morning. It's like 11:30 right now on a Monday, and I am just going to the gym. I've sort of marked out exactly where I want to see. I want to see a short on GU, and ideally I see a long on GJ. What I'm thinking is GJ just keeps going lower and lower, and it's sort of to the point now where it's disrespecting bullish order flow on the hourly time frame. So I think what's going to happen is we're just going to see a dump on both, and that's sort of how I'm coming to the conclusion that I'm going to trade GU over GJ today, just because they're lining up in that sort of mentality. Oh, this is ridiculous, man. I should actually only need another couple candlesticks to close on the 15-minute time frame before I can take an entry on GU, and it's actually looking really good in terms of draws on liquidity as well. So I do think we have the potential to start the week off with a big win. Praying we can land a little something in the next 30 minutes and just let it play while we're at the gym. But it's setting up to be a damn good day. Some lady's just watching me right now. Well, I'll talk to you boys later. I am gonna head to the gym and place a trade. Love. I just entered a position on GU. Still not even at the gym, so that was really rapid as. But the reason I didn't wait for a retracement today is because GJ is already disrespecting bullish order flow, which to me indicates, and that is another confirmation confluence, which is all that I use the retracement for, is for that extra sort of confirmation. So I've already had 2 confirmations with that break structure as well. That's enough for me to enter, man, and I'm already on my way to the gym, so I kind of just want to get off the charts and enjoy my workout. Really good risk to reward to TP1 though. It's like a 3R, so $250 risk, that'll be a $750 win to start the week. I've just finished at the gym. I'm up 300 on my trade right now. Only thing I'm slightly scared about is the fact that we're reacting bullish off of an hourly imbalance. Usually I wouldn't fuss too much about it, but it's just the fact that my initial bias on GJ was bullish. We don't have any hourly confluences to go bullish on GJ, and that's sort of a bit of comfort with this GU trade, convincing me that we are potentially going to keep going bearish. I'm pretty confident overall that that bearish trend is going to continue. Fuck, I hate filming in public so much, bro, but that's sort of the idea right now, is just seeing if this bullish reaction is going to be a retracement, or if we do just completely flip on our asses and hit my stop loss. But currently we're up $300 just leaving the gym, which is an amazing start to the day. I'm actually really happy with this trade. The analysis was perfect, and the setup overall is top tier. So just gotta leave it now, see what happens. Gonna go home, jump on a call with a couple of other traders, just talk things out. It's a good day, man. Love. All right, so I have closed out half of my position, cashed in $220 win on this. So I closed out half my position at that opening day low, and then I'm actually just going to take a full take profit at this low. If that gets hit, that's a $500 win, which 500 plus 200 is $700, which would be an amazing start to the week. I cannot lie. We've had literally 10 bearish candlesticks in a row on the 15-minute time frame, so I think we are due a retracement. We've got stops at break even, and realistically I'm just going to leave it, let it play out, and look for a trade on GJ. If I see something, then I'll take that. But that is me for the morning. $200 on a Monday is an awesome way to start the week. Yeah, I don't really have anything else going on. I've already hit the gym. I'm just on a call right now with a few other lads that do trading as well, and just uploaded a little market analysis video. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. That is my pretty much a view into what I'm doing on a daily basis and how I go about finding these trades in the charts.
When cleaning up, somehow stayed in a position. I was about to take a shower. I opened up the charts. Oh, so I took another trade on GJ. I opened up the chart and I just saw my account balance, like, or my position balance was like, went from plus or like break even, it was like minus 50, minus 170. And I was like, what the hell is going on? So I think some crazy news just released. And so I pretty much just closed my phone and threw it across the room and jumped in the shower without looking. So this is what happened. I have no idea what news released, because that candlestick there is definitely not a regular candlestick you see in the market, but it has worked out rather well. I sort of just held it because I knew we had imbalances sitting down here. As seen, we have that 1 minute imbalance. It's rejected it really freaking nicely. So this trade is based off of this sweep, and then we broke structure on the 15-minute time frame, got a rejection out of this 15-minute fair value gap, and I entered off that candlestick closure on the 15-minute. Stayed in the trade through that little rejection or that news candle, and I'm gunning for these. So now that news is over, whatever it was, that's actually looking really good. We rejected that level, and if we can close above this 5-minute fair value gap, it's game over. TPs will be getting hit, and we will be finishing the day really strong. But even if this loses, we'll still be up 350 odd for the day. Took a big win earlier, a really nice trade, and it played out really well. So tonight, this is going to be my last trade that I take this evening. And other than that, I'm just waiting for New York Open. See if we can make something happen there. But overall, man, trades have been really good today. We've found 2 A+ setups. This one here, even if this lost, I'm still really happy with that trade setup, happy with the liquidity, the draws, and then the execution as well. So nothing that I can complain about for today. Had a really good day. And I'm honestly just going to leave the charts, set an alert for take profit 1 and stop loss, and read my book for an hour until something happens. Peace. Come on, man. Big day on the charts. That GJ play is still just in the shittiest price action, and I'm leaving it. One thing that I had to think about, I knew it was shitty price action, and I was like, do I pull my money or do I leave it and just let the trade play out? When you think about trading as just statistics and you collect data on a system and then you implement it in the charts, if that is what I'm doing, all of my data that I've collected is based on it either hitting stop loss or take profit. When I'm back testing, I am not thinking about, okay, it's consolidating, it's bad price action. I either have winning trades or losing trades. So therefore, that is what it needs to be in the markets, in the live charts, in order for me to be completely following my strategy. So I'm just going to leave it play overnight. I've set my stop loss, I've set a take profit, and I'm just going to see what happens with that one. I'm not fussed either way, because it was a really good entry and a really good setup. Now, I've just banked on futures. So stoked. $420 win. We made a couple changes in terms of making sure we only trade post macro open, and worked for us today, man. My account is currently sitting at $50,850, which means that I could have this account passed by sort of the end of next week if I keep these numbers up. I'm going to sleep. I'm freaking exhausted. I've been trading all day, and we crushed it in the charts today. I'm so stoked, and I'm definitely going to be waking up tomorrow morning ready to crush it again. But that was day 13, 14, whatever it was, Monday. Crunched it. Love all of you. Thank you boys for watching. Like and subscribe. We got plenty more of these videos on the way. Peace.